Mũbira-inĩ wa magũrũ mwena wa Imwana, timu ya Magereza Academy nĩyo ĩkarirũkia bendera ya Naivasha gĩkĩro-inĩ gĩa kaunti thutha wa kũhota Kipkonyo ya wodi ya Maela na bao 2-1 harĩ ngucanio ya final.
Na feel tu happy juu hii ndio yangu ya mwisho ishule na the same nisema naifikisha Rijo before nitoke juu ijaifika. Na God akipenda pia tunaweza endelea.
Na nilikuwa najua tunaenda juu mwaka mwingine tulienda county tulitolewa semi final. Hii mwaka tulikuwa tumepiga sababu ya kwenda regionals lakini sasa naona ni kama imeingiana. Sasa tunaweza kujipanga.
Harĩ mũthako-inĩ wa volleyball ya Imwana, timu ya Magereza iregwateire tigiti wa gũthiĩ kaunti kũrũmĩrĩra ũhotani wa seti 3-0 igĩthaka ngucanio ya final na timu ya thukuru wa Maĩ Mahiũ.
Leo game imekuwa tight na ni Mungu kwa vile tumeweza kupata ushindi, lakini sio kusema timu nyingine ilikuwa dhaifu. No, the other team was very strong, but luckily tumeshinda.
Mũthako-inĩ wa ikabu wa athaki atatũ o mwena, Magereza nĩracangararire thutha wa kũhota thukuru wa Milimani na ikabu 12-2 gũkũ mũthako-inĩ wa Gonya Naivasha ndĩkĩhota Magereza na pointi 12-7.
Ingawaje mchezo umekuwa very tight, but vijana wangu wameweza kulose 12-7. Tunasema ya kwamba in rugby tunasema the game has won. Tunatumai ya kwamba wanaenda kutuwakilisha kwa michezo ya county.
Mũtaratara mwerũ wa CBE ũkĩnyitwo mbaru nĩ mwarimũ mũnene wa Magereza Academy George Mushiri.
And I'm very happy that the Ministry of Education through the CBE curriculum has found it wise to even have the pathway of the sports. And I'm sure by the time we have them next year, I'm sure we shall be able to tap these talents as early as possible. Yes, when of course we are still very young.
Oho thirikari nĩ yũrĩtio ĩkĩrĩre mathako o ũrĩa ĩkĩrĩire mathomo.
Granted, the government is giving us some money, but then you know that's not enough because of course if anything we like to diversify sports. Currently we are only concentrating on the ball games. We have basketball, we have rugby, but then we have some others that maybe we like to invest in, and some of them requires really a lot of huge capital outlay like hockey.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV iharo-inĩ rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Captain Festus Lango.